Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss exercise 6.5. If you didn't watch my previous videos, the link is in the description, watch it. Okay, the first bit is find R, that is common ratio, and AN, nth term of GP. So he gave 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 8 and so on. Second term is 3 by 2 divided by first term is 3. Here 3 will get cancelled, so we remains with 1 by 2. This is nothing but R, common ratio is 1 by 2. Then he is asking to find the nth term AN. So AN formula for GP, AN is equals to A into R power n minus 1. Here A is nothing but the first term 3 into R, common ratio 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. Here we cannot simplify this further, so simply I am leaving it here only. Otherwise, if you want to write more, here number 3 as it is into. Now this 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1 is in the form of a power m plus n. So if we expand it, we will get 1 by 2 power n into 1 by 2 power minus 1. So this 1 by 2 power minus 1, if we do reciprocal, it will become plus 2. So 2 into 3, 6 into 1 by 2 whole power n. So final answer is 6 into 1 by 2 whole power n. The next question is 2 minus 6, 18 minus 15 and so on. Here second term is minus 6 divided by first term is 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So the common ratio is minus 3. That is common ratio is minus 3. Now nth term we need to find out. AN is equals to A into R power n minus 1. Here A is nothing but first term 2 into R, common ratio minus 3 whole power n minus 1. Now 2 into minus 3 power n minus 1 can be written as minus 3 power n into minus 3 power minus 1, which is equals to 2 into minus 3 power n into, here minus 3 power minus 1, here power is negative, so we can write it in reciprocal from 1 by minus 3. So now here 2 into 1 by minus 3, that is nothing but minus 2 by 3 into minus 3 whole power n. So AN or nth term of GP is minus 2 by 3 into minus 3 power n. The next question is minus 1, minus 3, minus 9, minus 27 and so on. Here second term is minus 3 divided by first term is minus 1. Minus minus cancel, so we remains with 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is nothing but 3. So our value is 3. Next, nth term we need to find out. AN is equals to A into R power n minus 1. Here A, first term minus 1, whole power R, common ratio 3 power n minus 1. Minus 1 into, here 3 power n minus 1 can be written as 3 power n into 3 power minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 power n into 3 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3. Minus 1 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into 3 power n. This is AN. Next question is 5, 2, 4 by 5, 8 by 25 and so on. Here second term is 2 divided by first term is 5. So our value is 2 by 5. Now we need to find AN. AN is equals to A into R power n minus 1. So A value first term 5 times of R power R value 2 by 5 whole power n minus 1, which is equals to 5 into 2 by 5 whole power n minus 1 can be written as 2 by 5 whole power n into 2 by 5 whole power minus 1. Here power is negative, so we will reciprocate this term. 5 as it is into 2 by 5 whole power n as it is into this 2 by 5 will become 5 by 2. So now 5 into 5, 25 divided by 2 into 2 by 5 whole power n. Bit number 2. Find the 10th, and nth term of GP. So what is the 10th term? A10 is equals to A into R power 9. So first let us find this 10th term. Here A, first term 5 into R, common ratio. Second term is 25 divided by first term is 5. 25 by 5, it is 5. So common ratio is 5 power 9. Here 5 power nothing is there, means 5 power 1. 5 power 1 into 5 power 9, both the bases are same, so we can add the powers. 5 power 1 plus 9, that is equals to 5 power 10. A10, 10th term value is 5 power 10. The same way is asking to find nth term also. Then An is equals to A into R power n minus 1. Here A value first term 5 into R value common ratio 5 power n minus 1. Here 5 into 5 power n minus 1 can be written as 5 power n into 5 power minus 1. 5 into 5 power n into 5 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 5. Here 5 will get cancelled, so we remains with 5 power n. An, that is nth term of the given GP, is 5 power n. Simple, we can say this is 5 power 1, this is 5 power 2, 5 power 3, next 5 power 4 and so on. So that's why our GP is 5 power n, that is nth term. The next question is A1, that is first term, is equals to 9 and R equals to 1 by 3. Common ratio is given. A7 is equals to how much? So A7, 7th term is nothing but A into R power 6. So A is nothing but first term, it is given as 9 into R, common ratio is given as 1 by 3 whole power 6. So here 9 can be written as 3 square into 1 by 3 whole power 6 can be written as 1 power 6 divided by 3 power 6. Here 3 2 times is there, here 3 6 times is there. So if we do cancellation, 1 power 6 is 1 as it is by, here 3 2 times, here 3 6 times. So if we cancel, still 4 will remain. So 3 power 4, 1 by 3 power 4, that is nothing but 1 by 3 power 4 is 81. Next, A1 is equals to minus 12 and R is equals to 1 by 3. Then he is asking to find A6, 6th term. So A6 is equals to A into R power 5. A value is given as minus 12 into R value is given as 1 by 3 whole power 5. Here minus 12 can be written as minus 3 into 4. Here 1 by 3 whole power 5 can be written as 1 power 5 divided by 3 power 5. Which is equals to minus 3 into 4 into 1 by 3 power 5 can be written as 3 into 3 power 4. Here 3 will get cancelled, so we remains with minus 4 divided by 3 power 4, which is equals to minus 4 divided by 3 power 4, 81. So 6th term is minus 4 divided by 81. Okay, the 4th bit is, which term of the GP 2832 is 512? So whenever he is asking which term, we need to go with the nth term formula. So An is equals to A into R power n minus 1. Here An, that is given as 512, is equals to A first term 2 into R common ratio. Here second term is 8 divided by first term is 2, 8 by 2, 4 power n minus 1. Now this 2 I will take to the left side. 512 divided by 2 is equals to 4 power n minus 1. 512 divided by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 11, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 256 is equals to 4 power n minus 1. Here 4 power n minus 1 is there, means compulsory this 256 also will come as power of 4. So 256 I am solving. So here I know very well this will come in 4 because here also base is the 4. So that's why I am not going with prime number, simply I am going with 4 only. 4 6 are 4 4s are 4 16s are 4 fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 256 can be written as 4 power 4, which is equals to 4 power n minus 1. If we observe these bases are equal. So powers also equal. N minus 1 is equals to 4. This minus 1 I will take to the right side. So n is equals to 4 plus 1, that is 5. So it means fifth term of the given GP is 512. Which term of the GP is 729? Here second term is 3 divided by first term is root 3. So common ratio is 3 divided by root 3, and we don't want any irrational number in the denominator, so that's why I'm multiplying and dividing this by root 3 again. 3 into root 3, 3 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3, 3. So this 3 will get cancelled, so we remains with root 3. So common ratio is root 3. Then he is asking which term is 729. So let's move to the nth term formula. An of GP is equals to A into R power n minus 1. An is given as 729, which is equals to A first term root 3 into R value root 3 power n minus 1. 729 is equals to root 3 into, here root 3 power n minus 1 can be written as root 3 power n into root 3 power minus 1. 729 is equals to root 3 into root 3 power n into, power is negative, so this will become reciprocal. Root 3 can be written as 1 by root 3. Here root 3 will get cancelled, so we remains with 729 is equals to root 3 whole power n. Now here 3 is there, means this 729 also compulsory will come in 3 table only, so I am going with the factorization. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 81s are, 3 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 3 power 6 is equals to root 3 whole power n. Observe here it is 3, here it is root 3. So to remove this square root, I will do squaring on both the sides. 3 power 6 whole square is equals to root 3 whole power n whole square. So here square root will get cancelled. This is 3 power 6 whole power 2. 2 powers are there, multiply those 2 powers. 3 power 6 2s are 12 is equals to 3 power n. Here bases are equal, so powers also equal. N is equals to 12. So the 12th term of the given GP is 729. Next question is, which term of the given GP is 1 by 2187? So first let us find the common ratio. Second term is 1 by 9 divided by first term is 1 by 3. Numerator as it is 1 by 9 into reciprocate the denominator. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So common ratio is 1 by 3. Then he is asking which term. So nth term formula. An is equals to A into R power n minus 1. An is given as 1 by 2187, which is equals to A value first term 1 by 3 into R value 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. Now here 1 by 2187 as it is, 1 by 2187 is equals to 1 by 3 into, here 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3 power n into 1 by 3 power minus 1. So 1 by 2187 is equals to 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 whole power n into, here 1 by 3 whole power minus 1 is there. So power is negative, it will become reciprocal. 1 by 3 will become 3 divided by 1. Here 3 will get cancelled, so we remains with 1 by 2087 is equals to 1 by 3 whole power n. 1 by 3 whole power n is nothing but 1 power n divided by 3 power n. 1 power n divided by 3 power n. Here 1 power n is nothing but 1 divided by 3 power n. Both the numerators are same, so denominators also equal. 3 power n is equals to 2187. Now here 3 is there means compulsory here 2187 also can be written as a power of 3 only. So 3 power n is equals to 3 power 7. Bases are equal, powers also equal, so n is equals to 7. Seventh term of the GP is 1 by 2187. Question number 5. Find the 12th term of a GP whose 8th term is 192 and R is equals to 2. Here 8th term is given as 192. 8th term can be written as A into R power 7. It is given as 192. A into R value is 2 whole power 7 is equals to 192. So A into 2 power 7. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 7 times. So 2 power 7 is 128, which is equals to 192. Now this 128 I will take to the right side. So we will get A is equals to 192 divided by 128. 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 2 8s are 2 32s are 2 24s are 2 16s are 2 12s are 2 18s are 2 8s are 2 6s are 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. So A is equals to 3 divided by 2. So we got A value, that is first term is 3 by 2 and already common ratio is given as 2. Then he is asking to find the 12th term. So 12th term A12 is equals to A into R power 11. A value is given as 3 by 2 into R value is given as 2 whole power 11. Here 3 by 2 into 2 power 11 can be written as 2 into 2 power 10. 2 will get cancelled, so we remains with 3 into 2 power 10. So the 12th term of the GP is 3 into 2 power 10. Next question is, the 4th term of a GP is 2 by 3 and the 7th term is 16 by 81. Then find the geometric series. 4th term is 2 by 3. So 4th term is nothing but AR power 3 is equals to 2 by 3. And the 7th term is nothing but AR power 6 is equals to 16 by 81. AR cube is equals to 2 by 3 and AR power 6 is equals to 16 by 81. What I will do, these two equations I will do division. Here A will get cancelled. Here R power 3 is there, here R power 6 is there. So we will remains with 1 by R cube is equals to this 2 by 3 as it is into 16 by 81 will become reciprocal 81 by 16. So 1 by R cube is equals to 2 1s are 2 8s are 3 1s are 3 27s are 27 divided by 8. Here 1 by R cube, which is in the reciprocal form, it will become R power minus 3, which is equals to 27 by 8 can be written as 3 cube divided by 2 cube. 27 can be written as 3 cube and 8 can be written as 2 cube. So R power minus 3 is equals to 3 by 2 whole power 3. r power minus 3 is equals to, here power is minus, so to make that here also power I will make it into minus, then obviously the inside will become reciprocal. 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3 by making the power negative. Now here both the powers are negative as well as equal, so then base is also equal. Then r value is 2 divided by 3. Now this r value we can substitute either in this first equation or else in the second equation. I am taking the first equation. A r cube is equals to 2 divided by 3. A value we don't know, into r value 2 by 3 whole power 3 is equals to 2 by 3. So A is equals to 2 by 3 into, here 2 by 3 whole power 3 I am taking to another side, it will become reciprocal 3 by 2 whole power 3. So A is equals to 2 by 3 into, here 3 by 2 whole cube is nothing but 3 cube divided by 2 cube. So 3 cube divided by 2 cube. So A is equals to 2 divided by 3 into 3 cube is 27 divided by 2 cube is nothing but 8. 3 ones are 3 nines are 2 ones are 2 eights are. So A is equals to 9 by 4. A is equals to 9 by 4, and already we got the common ratio as 2 by 3. Now first term is there as well as common ratio is there, so we can find out the GP. So first term 9 by 4 as it is, comma, how second term will get then? First term 9 by 4 into common ratio, 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 ones are 3 threes are, which is equals to 3 by 2. Second term is 3 by 2, comma, how we will get the third term? Second term 3 by 2 into common ratio 2 by 3. 2 2 cancel, 3 3 cancel, it is 1. So third term is 1, and so on. So the GP is 9 by 4, 3 by 2, 1, and so on. Okay, let's check the last question in this exercise. Question number 7. If the geometric progressions 162, 54, 18 and so on, and 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9 and so on have their nth terms equal, then find that n value. Two geometric progressions are given and he is mentioning that nth terms are equal. So for the first one, a into r power n minus 1. For the first GP, the nth term is a into r power n minus 1 is exactly equal to second GP nth term, a into r power n minus 1. Here if you observe, first term is 162, whereas here first term is 2 by 81, completely different. So that's why, to not to get any confusion, I am changing this. Sorry, 2. A1 R1 power n minus 1 is the nth term of the first GP. A2 R2 whole power n minus 1 is the nth term of the second GP. So let us substitute now. Here, first term is 162 into R1, second term divided by first term, 54 divided by 162. 54 divided by 162. 54 ones are 54 threes are, which is nothing but 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 is equals to, next A2, first term from the second progression, 2 by 81 into R2, common ratio of the second GP. Second term is 2 by 27 divided by first term is 2 by 81. Here 2 by 27 as it is into reciprocate 81 by 2. 2 2 cancel, 8 2 27 ones are 27 threes are, so is equals to 3. 3 power n minus 1. Here this total 2 by 81 I will take to the left side, 162 as it is. This 2 by 81 will become reciprocal 81 by 2, which is equals to 3 power n minus 1 as it is. Now this 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 is there. I will bring this to the right side. So here 1 by 3 will become the reciprocal. So we will get 3 power n minus 1. Now here 2 ones are 2 81s are. 81 into 81 is equals to 3 power. Here both the bases are equal, so powers also added. N plus n, 2n minus 1 minus 2. Now 81 can be written as 3 power 4 into 81 can be written as 3 power 4. 3 power 4 into 3 power 4 is equals to 3 power 2n minus 2. 3 power 4, 4, 8, 3 power 8 is equals to 3 power 2n minus 2. Here bases are equal, so obviously powers also equal to each other. So 2n minus 2 is equals to 8. Minus 2, if you take another cell, become plus 2. So 2n is equals to 10. Then n is equals to 10 by 2. That is 5. It means fifth term of both the GPs are equal. So in the first GP, if we find the fifth term, and in the second GP also, if we find the fifth term, both the fifth terms are exactly same numbers. So that is exactly n value. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.